In this step, let's get an overview of something called a distributed system. A lot of times you'd heard this word distributed. What does that really mean? Earlier, we saw that Java EE applications are typically layered. You have a web layer, you have a business layer, and the data layer. Until now, you would have assumed that probably all these layers are present on a single system, single machine somewhere. That's not the case always. What would happen in some situations is you would have the business layer on a different machine, the web layer on a different machine, the data layer on a different machine, and this is what is called a distributed system. A distributed system is where each of the layers of your application might be on a different system. In certain systems, you might just have the business and the data layers together on a separate system. Or you might have the business on a separate system or data layer on a separate system and things like that. One of the main advantages, or actually one of the main selling points of EJB was its ease of distributing the business layer. Whenever you hear of a distributed system, then you're talking about the different layers of your application distributed on different systems. There are many advantages to this kind of an distributed architecture. The thing is, the web application might not be the only consumer of your business services. In that kind of a scenario, you can have your business services on a separate box, and your web application might be consuming from there. Your mobile application might be consuming from there, and maybe there are other applications which want to interact with your application directly with the business layer. So these are all the different kinds of possibilities which a distributed architecture enables. Thanks for joining more than a million students who are learning from us. At In 28 Minutes, we defined a learning roadmap for Java and front-end developers. We created more than 25 courses covering all the topics that you are seeing on the screen. There are 4 things you can do to make best use of these courses. Number 1 is Udemy. You'll find a link in the description of the video to our Udemy profile. We are teaching a lot of courses on Udemy and most of them are free. Number 2, visit our website www.in28minutes.com. You'd find tons of information including how you can register for our trainings and the link to Udemy and our GitHub code as well. Number 3, visit our GitHub repository. With more than 20 repositories covering varied examples, it's a comprehensive source of information and code. Last but not the least, you'll find a set of discount codes for all our Udemy courses in the description as well. Feel free to use them. Good luck from the team here at In 28 Minutes, your destination for high quality step-by-step courses.